Hey, good morning you all. This is Matthew Tognacci with Sunny Pressure Washing. We're out again in West Houston. We're actually in the Memorial area in some townhomes over near Nottingham Forest Memorial area. So right now we've got Zachary. He's in the garage. And I wanted to take you guys through today. What we're doing is so what's special about today is that we're actually using the hot water on residential. And so what that looks like, sorry, let me go out of here so you can hear me. What that means is that we're going to be, we're putting down some degreaser, and that'll help lift all the oil and the grease that's trapped on the surface of the garage floor. And then we're going over with 200-degree water, and that'll work to with the degreaser to agitate the oil and lift it from the surface. So we've done a couple coats already. And then we're going to be going over it again with the heat. But I just want to go in here and give you guys a closer look at Zachary. And you can see the steam coming off the machine, out of the machine. And that's the chemicals and the heat doing its job. So let me walk around with you guys. Zachary. So you can see the soap, it's doing its job, and we're getting everything cleaned up, and she's going to be very happy when it's all done, and we're happy that she's happy. So give us a call for your next estimate or exterior cleaning job. We service both commercial and residential. This is Matthew Tognacci with Sunny Pressure Washing. Our phone number is 832-622-2924, and we'd love to come out and service your property. Thank you so much, and have a great day.